In front of me is a VIVO Y72, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. Once you see your boot options right here, hold power off. Make sure you hold it. This will in turn bring up this window right here, reboot to safe mode. So confirm it by tapping on OK, and this will basically initiate it. Now, once the device boots back up, only the pre-existing applications will function normally, so the ones that come installed with the device. If you have any kind of applications that you have installed yourself, those will not be able to start anymore, at least in this mode. So that is the reason for this, is so you can troubleshoot your device, and if there was any kind of chance that some kind of app could have been causing you problems, the device basically doesn't allow that app to run anymore. And additionally, as you can see, we have this watermark right here, safe mode. This will stay as long as you are in this mode. Widgets also don't function. And it looks like there's actually a couple of pre-installed apps that don't function. So we have like TikTok, Booking, Facebook. And some phones, Facebook for some reason works, even though it's basically a spyware. So that's kind of questionable here, but at least on this phone it also blocks it. So if you try to open those apps, let me just quickly show you what will happen. Disabled app, or downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. Same goes for basically each one of those. Now once you're done testing your device, troubleshooting it, you can hold the power key once more. And this time select restart. And once the device boots back up, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android and in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.